Whose bag is this? This is my bag. How often do you drink coffee? I drink coffee twice a day. How often do you exercise? I exercise every morning. How did you spend your weekend? I visited my grandparents. Why are you sad? I lost my wallet. What are you looking for? I am looking for my keys. When did you buy this dress? I bought it last week. How far is the park? The park is near my house. Why do you exercise daily? To stay fit and healthy. When do you eat breakfast? I eat breakfast at 8 a.m. Why do you travel? I travel to explore new places. Why do you use the internet? To study and find information. Whose laptop are you using? I am using my friend's laptop. How long will you stay here? I will stay here for 2 days. How deep is the river? The river is very deep. How tall is your brother? He is 6 feet 3 inches tall. How wide is this road? It is about 10 meters wide. How far is your college? It is 3 kilometers away. How often do you water the plants? I water them every day. Who are you talking to? I am talking to my friend. What are you waiting for? I am waiting for my bus. What kind of person is he? He is kind and honest. At what time does the train leave? It leaves at 9:30 a.m. What happened? Nothing. I'm fine. What do you like the most? I like traveling. Why are you learning English? I am learning English to improve my communication skills. What kind of food do you like? I like spicy food. How long have you been living here? I am living here for 5 years. How much money do you have? I have $100. When is your birthday? My birthday is in April. How often do you read books? I read books every night. What kind of music do you like? I like soft music. How do you prepare for exams? I study every day and revise before the exam. When did you buy this phone? I bought it 2 months ago. How do you stay positive? I focus on good things in life. How do you save money? I avoid unnecessary shopping. What is your job? I am a teacher. How many hours do you sleep? I sleep around 8 hours a night. When is your birthday? My birthday is on 15th August. What do you do to relax? I enjoy gardening and listening to music. What did you do yesterday? I visited a park. What would you like to do now? Let's go for a walk. How much is this? This is $100. How was your holiday? It was wonderful. Why did you lie to me? I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. What is your favorite drink? I like mango juice. Where is your book? It's on the table. What time is it? It's 9 o'clock. What are you thinking about? I'm thinking about my project. Where did you go? I went to the library. How do you feel now? I feel happy.